Y'all with it, niggas. RW, my nigga, Lil Dank. Getting this shit back up. Hold up. Gotta film it. We doing it. Shout out RW shit. You feel me? Lil Dank, my nigga. We finna hit to the hey. You feel me? It's about to be down here. Down this hallway. Probably about to start hearing the slaps and shit from RW. You feel me?
Niggas talking shit, but these niggas is nigga rich and I got that nigga rich. Hey, solid drink.
Yeah, get it. It's plugged, don't trip.
In the building, niggas keep talking, but my niggas really killing. Fucking bullshit, trying to make a fucking million. Nigga, fuck that. I'm trying to trace $1 trillion. That's some real shit. Do it for my fam. Nigga got a problem, nigga know who I am. I know on the track, but you're going insane. And I got a pistol, ain't right to your, not your brain, to your gut. Nigga, shut up. Talking that shit, bitch, I'ma live it up. Cause I'ma die one day. Nigga, fuck all that bullshit. I be on the top like a Sunday. Nigga, don't know what you mean. I'm the main nigga. Pull up on me, I got the main trigger. And I ain't squeezing. I'ma beat you up with my fist. I don't need no gun, you a pussy ass bitch. Nigga, put that shit out, you better use it. My niggas on the top, all my niggas really do it. And I don't give a fuck, but you can't saw these clues like Blue's Clues. Niggas keep talking, but you bitches gon' have to choose. Nigga, I be burning rubber on your bitch and I don't fuck with no rubber. Psych, I gotta keep it on. My niggas out there that be gone, slapping the song all day. I'm on the track from the bay. 707, my niggas where I lay. The flats, bitches the flats. Talk that shit, leave you flat, nigga. And I ain't playing around. All my niggas out, we got 130 rounds. What? 100 round nut. 100 round dick for that dumbass nigga. What? Ballin', shot calling. Young nigga got the dope, so I keep ballin'. And I ain't gon' stop till a young nigga get up. I do it for my family, you top struggling. My niggas hustling, and we bubbling. You niggas ain't doing this. You niggas keep talking, but you ain't, bruh. Hold up, man, bruh. Let's get it, nigga. Alright. Hey, get it for the bitches. I don't do it for that shit, I do it for the riches. Do it for the money, bitch, I don't want it for the fame. I don't want these bitch ass niggas to know my fucking name. I don't want the track to be exact. These niggas got a problem, I'ma pull out that Big Mac. Pop out that all black, bitch, I'm in that van. And I don't need no max. Do it bareface, you know where I stay. Come to my crib, nigga, know where I lay. Enter the crib, I'ma shoot you in your rib, nigga, show you how I live. I'ma do this for the crib.
Alright, nigga, it's 36, we trapping. 40 with this shit, nigga, you already know what's happening. Knocks the door, beans
No,
the
nigga.
hole. You already know, nigga,
Beethoven, the newest RW.
Trapping, nigga, it's early. Knocking on the door, nigga, what you know? Serving dope fiends, we gon' rock with the hoe. I'ma go 40 with the shit, my nigga gon' gas. He will fucking hit, he will got that fucking glass. Surface that shit, nigga gon' cut you, my nigga don't give a fucking finna hurt you.
Hey, hunting, bitch, we bustin', caps on her. Nigga taking that, I ain't snoozing. Been on the day, on tryna top, nigga, been on that bay. Nigga, fuck what you say, I'ma do what I say. I'ma do what I lay, nigga, ain't fuck with me, man. Hold on, I started for 1 minute. These niggas got a problem, but my niggas finna end it. And I ain't stretching, bitches keep clapping on the beat. Trapping on the beat, stay strapped with the heat. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga, see where I be. I don't give a fuck, nigga, see where I be. Wait, boy, got the toys all day. Niggas keep talking, but these niggas don't do what they say. Niggas fake as fuck, nigga run up on me with the fucking gut.
See the ass on my finger, nigga, it's ice though. I don't give a fuck, we got ice on my ice though. Nigga, ice on type of ice on type of ice. Nigga, all type of crystal though. Nigga, crystal crest, I don't give a fuck though. Come up in the crystal crest, I'ma bust your ass though. 9mm shoots 500 pounds though. I'ma get the pounds on smoker on the film though. 707 on the map, that's real blood. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, shout out to YT though. My nigga gon' be though. Shout out to Blood. Nigga, YT and my nigga should just
Real shit. Alright, hold
shut up.